Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Meta Business Suite for AI ad automation workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Meta Business Suite. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Input your email address or phone number linked to your Meta account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you prefer, you can select the Remember Me checkbox for quicker access in the future. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. After logging in, you may encounter a welcome screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To access AI ad automation workflows, navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on Automations to reveal available options. If you have not set up any workflows yet, select Create New Workflow. You will be guided through the workflow creation process. Choose the type of AI automation you want to implement. Fill in the necessary details as prompted, such as ad objectives and audience targeting options. Ensure all required fields are completed before proceeding. Once satisfied with your selections, click the Save button. Your workflow will now be created and ready for implementation. You can monitor and manage your automation workflows from the Automations tab at any time. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Log Out to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.